Mercedes S-Class front brakes. What you need? Well, get you an extra brake wear sensor, pads, a little stubby half-inch drive, and something very thin to go and knock out the brake pins, and a hammer. And I'm going to show how to do that in just a second here. The rest of these items are to do the inner and outer tire rod ends. Some anti-seize, whatever they call this, de-icer for electrical parts. What you don't need this tire rod end puller. You need this one. You don't need the inner tire rod end tool. You need this one. Yes, a plumber's wrench. And a Sharpie, something to mark on that's solid, preferably metal, or a measuring tool, some vice grips, needle nose pliers, flathead, open adjustable wrench, and your various sockets.